All right, this is lesson 9, and the title of this lesson is called Halves. And what they want you to do on the first page is trace a square, a circle. So let's pull the square out. A circle and a rectangle. Doesn't matter what color. So you get a square, a circle, and a rectangle. And they want you to make 3 pig pens. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to trace around the best you can. It's hard to do that with a flat piece of paper, I know. Okay, so now I'm going to move those out of the way, however it wants to do it. Get off of there. Okay, whoops. Okay, and move that away. And if it'll let me, I want to get that. It's not going to let me. Okay, there's my 3 pig pens. And then they want you to draw lines to separate each shape into 2 equal parts. So, that's what we're going to do. The best you can. The best you can. And then they want you to use a different color to shade it. So, I'm having a hard time figuring out what I want to use. Okay, so I shaded 1/2. Or 1 out of 2 parts, 1/2, or 1 out of 2 parts, and 1/2. Okay, that's what they want you to do on that page. Okay, all right, let's move on. And remember, I gotta always erase. All right, so on this page it says a whole that is separated into 2 equal parts is separated into halves. So each part is a half of the whole. So here's your whole, and that's a half, and that's a half. And here's a whole, and that's half, and that's half. So how many halves do you have in each of those? You have 2 equal parts or 2 halves. All right? So on this one, they want you to write how many equal parts make up the whole. So you can look at it and you see 1, 2, and 1, 2. Okay? And the bottom, this time they want you to draw lines to show 2 equal parts and write how many halves. So you want to get as close to the middle as you can. And then write how many halves you have. All right? I think you can do that. And let's go to the next page. So flip your paper. And this is going to be on your own. Let me erase my lines so I don't confuse you. So what you do is write how many equal parts on 5 and 6. And then on 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, this is going to be a little different. So we'll do one of them together. It says a half of each shape is missing. So half of this shape is gone. Half of this shape is gone. Half of this shape is gone. Half of that shape is gone. They want you to draw the missing half. Okay? So if this is a half of a shape, I can draw the other half here, or I can draw the other half here. So I think I'll go out this way because I have more room. And I want to make it as close as I can to the size of this one. Whoops, you know how this lines up, kids, don't you? Not the best. Okay, so I just finished it and I drew the other half. So you need to draw the other half of that, the other half of that, and the other half of that. For those, and let's look at the bottom part of the page. All right, let me erase my stuff. All right, they want want you to color half of each shape and write how many parts are shaded. So if you need to color half of it and write how many parts you colored, okay? So just, okay? All right, hopefully you won't be confused on that. And then go to the very back and make sure it says the same thing. It says, Joey has a hot dog. He cuts it in half. How many equal parts is the hot dog cut into? Let's just draw a hot dog. Okay? Let's just draw it the best we can. We'll just make it like that. And if he cuts it in half, how many equal parts are there? Write that down. Okay? I bet your hot dog will look better than mine. Okay? Tina draws this square. Help Tina by drawing a line to show 2 equal parts. Okay, so I want you to do this one on your own. You want 2 equal parts, draw your line to do that. Okay, and then it says Jenna is eating half of an orange. Samantha is eating the other half of the same orange. Jenna says she has less than Samantha. Can she be right? If she's eating half and Samantha's eating half, what do you think? If they're eating half and half, they should have the same amount. Okay, so that's all for Monday's math. If you have any trouble, let me know.